So today's a big day because I now have every single jack for the 8-foot back and the 4-foot all installed and up and running. I don't have every single key perfectly sorted. There's still a few notes that don't play reliably as of yet, but we are getting super close. And we now have full functionality in the lower manual. So we put our jack rail in here. And on the lower manual, so there is the 8-foot. Now we turn on the 4-foot. And if you just want something fun, we can put the buff stop on, and that brings out the 4-foot choir even more. And if we turn the 4-foot off, oh, a couple still need to be sorted there.